muscle boy. You thought the clap was gone? I've got a news flash for you. It's back! People often ask me how to do the perfect clap. A lot of people have been doing the clap wrong. It's time for you to learn. Start slow. When you hear the drum, you clap. I know it's complicated, but focus! It looks like you clap with the deltoids, but you're really clapping with your heart. Straight, beautiful arms. Keep a straight face. No smiling. Clap with deltoids. Always have a barrage. Clap! Then it goes faster, and you clap faster. Clap! Do the Viking clap! Are you ready? Clap! 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 3, 2, 1, let's go! Everybody fucking clap! Hands up! How much is the clap? Come on! Now everybody do the Viking clap! I'm sorry, Will Smith. This is now the official World Cup song. Straight, beautiful arms. Keep a straight face. Clap! Do the Viking clap! Let me see you clap! Now everybody do the Viking clap!
Hello? Yeah, pá.